Hello. Who's ready to modify the T6? Me. Today we're gonna make preparations to fit the wingbacks. Gonna fit a cab carpet on top of the existing carpet, which is this, and gonna cut out the bulkhead and do some wiring for the leisure battery and 7 amp. I'll meet you in the van. This is what it looks like. I did some last night. I'll show you. This comes from the battery up there. I'll insert a picture of how I've routed that through. This is the 12 volt that will go to the leisure battery. It will be connected to a split charge relay, so it doesn't drain the vehicle battery. And then this wire is for the sub and amp that will be underneath the driver's seat. I've got the two, I don't even know what they're called, these wires. They'll be routed underneath the driver's seat as well, underneath the carpet. The amp remote wire and a ground, which is grounded underneath this panel. I'll show you. It's grounded to there, look. Comes out. I've also got rear view camera wiring. I want to install a dash cam today. I'm not going to use this one, I've actually got one in my other car, which is that one, A6. I'm going to use that camera because this will be my main driver, and that camera's a lot better. So I want to wire that. I'm going to wire in a... I'll show you. I bought some stuff. I'm going to wire in that temporarily so I can power the dash cam. I don't have to have it sticking out of the one that's just under there, the 12 volt socket just under there, above the CD player, sorry. And I bought just various wiring. Got some speaker wire so I can put some speakers in the back. Today's first job is going to be removing the panels, the brackets, sorry, for the bulkhead, these and these. So first job is to remove this panel, pop that off, remove, there's an M10 bolt in there, remove that. As you can see, I've undone it previously. Seatbelt's out the way. Try to get up on here. Seems so weird, I'm outside my house. Seems so weird, I'm a bit scared of what the neighbours are going to think about me, but fuck them. The amount of people that say to you, I thought about doing a YouTube channel, when's your next video out? Now the seatbelt's out. Should. Just like that. And then there are 3 10mm bolts. I'll remove those now. battered them a little bit. This one's just popped off completely. I'm just going to put a cut through that one and then pop it off. And that one's off. I've battered the roofline in a little bit, but it's getting recovered anyway. Who cares? This rear one, there's 5 or 6 of these welds, so just buzz through that weld, peel it away. Alright, talk you through what I've done. Leisure battery wire, sub a 12 volt wire, remote wire, and those things I can't remember the name of. In here, this one, right hand speaker wire, which all comes out at this end. It's a bit of a mess. This is a heated seat loom for the wingbacks. The 3/8 for that heated seat loom are here. Not perfectly earthed, but who cares? And there's the top of the heated seat loom, and I've actually got, that's the original seat heater control panel thing. Here's one with the heated seat buttons. So I've got to plumb that in. I've got a wire here that goes to the body control module. I've got to pin that into the plug that goes into the BCM. And then this one goes into the fuse box, but because it's designed for a caddy, I've got to figure out where it goes. Again, this is the other heated seat plug. I have routed the dash cam wire. It's sort of hardwired, I suppose, up through there and down, and it will go up there. What else have I done? 12 volt for the leisure battery comes out here. This one, this big lad here, this is just a bridge from this side to this side. It comes out here in case I want to run any electrics from here, or wire straight off the leisure battery and then run them this way. Speaker wire to the back, and the wire for the reverse camera. These are the two standard from the loom. One's seatbelt, one's handbrake. More standard wiring from the van. And then this side we've got 12 volt that temporarily goes to the fuse box. I'll use a fuse breakaway, mini fuse breakaway, and that'll be my 12 volt to my tow bar wiring box thing, and left hand speaker wire. So everything's in. I'll get the carpet back in now. What I didn't mention was that all of the amp wiring and everything that's going to go in the Halo when I get it is up here. I've got the 12 volt to power the CD player there, left and right speaker wires, remote, reverse camera wiring, that's going to be wired to a switch so I can put it up whenever I want it, so I can use it as a rear view, and the two that control the amp. And that's it. Get some carpet back in. these two used to be these, but now where I've fitted a I'm fitting a single seat mount. I've just blocked these up so they don't get rusted. Now we've got to fit in the carpet. Oops. It's in. Cut the holes, got the looms through. It's definitely need to cut more than they say though. Trim more than they say. But it's in. I'm hoping it'll shape itself a bit better as it sort of the seat bases go in and use, but we'll see. Carpet's in. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll see you in the next one, which will be for you about a week, but for me about 5 minutes. I'm going to fit the seats. Safe.